welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to do a makeup where you can feel the lavender and pink together, and I'm going to mix it. So let's go! Today I want to do a makeup that can match my hair color. I chose a BB cream instead of foundation nor the cushion. So I have a BB Longwear BB cream from Innisfree. So this BB cream is really good because I feel like the texture is not too heavy. Ooh. I will spread on my face evenly using my fingers. And then using the brush, I'm going to spread it. This wears really thin. You know, some foundations are heavier, but I wanted this light texture because it's so hot outside. Where I live is really hot, like 39 degrees Celsius, which is about 107 degrees Fahrenheit. But for me, this texture is good. It kind of like covers all of the areas that you want to cover. And I'm going to cover my lips too, covering all of the areas. Next is the eyebrows. Brush first, filling in from the front, going back, just trying to make sure all of the areas are covered. Filling in towards the back because I don't really have a lot of hair there, so I have to pay more attention there. I want to use my nude palette, all of the colors that are that I really like. This color, the pink color, and a little bit of a shimmer. So I'm going to use these colors to create my look. So first I'm going to use lace. Spread the light lavender color called lace onto your eyelids from the bottom to the top. But the point is to really do it lightly, not with a lot of pressure. Once you're generally done, just make sure to go over the areas and under eye. Right here. Then I'm going to grab a darker purple with a tone of wine color and put it on the outer corner of my eye, kind of like tap it onto my eyelid. This color is really strong, so you have to be really careful to not press it hard. Once you put the eyeshadow, try to spread it and then blend it onto the upper eye. Daydream. This is seriously my favorite pink shimmer that I use on this palette a lot, and it's so beautiful and so light, so I use it on the under eye. Then put it right here under the eyebrow. And I'll do the right eye. The same way we did the other eye, we're going to spread the eyeshadow onto the eyelid, and then using a darker color, we're going to make a point makeup like this, and we're going to use the shimmer for the front of the eye and then blend it to the back. And on the under eye too, we're going to put it and then blend it well with a brush at the end. And then putting a cream color under the eyebrow to blend well with the other colors. And for shading, Teddy. I used Teddy here, but then I did it too much, so it kind of looks weird on the left side, right? So I need to be more careful on the other side. Oh my god. So with this contouring palette, I'm going to fix my mistake by going over and blending with a lighter color rather than just overdoing it again on the nose. I could use powder, but I sometimes like this dry texture a lot, so I use this. And then the medium tone. So I'm going to contour my chin area with a medium tone, and then really going over many times to make sure that they're blended. Like blended. Blending, and on the forehead too. Blending, more blending. Oh my god, there's so many areas to blend. You know, I'm using this black liner, it looks so great. But then after this, my 2-year-old baby destroyed it and then drew all over the wall with this eyeliner. Oh my god. I draw eyeliner like 1 centimeter upwards and 45 degrees or like 35 degrees upwards, and then fill it in from front to back and front to back going over. And then clip eyelashes with a curler from Suuemura, which I use every day. I love this mascara because it's really thin and it works really well with a girl like me because I have thin eyelashes and it kind of has to work with my thin, almost non-existent eyelashes. So my husband was laughing so hard when I was doing this makeup because he was right next to me and he was like, oh my god, you look like a clown. So that's why I was laughing in the video. But I'm like, oh my god, now that I'm looking at it, it is a lot. So I was trying to blend it with my foundation brush, but then it's like still kind of really pink. Finally onto the lips, so I'm going to use like a nude pink color for the whole lips, and then I'm going to use more of a pinky tone that I use for the blush to go over the middle of the lips, just like this. Da, 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 da. It's almost done. This makeup is almost done. Yay! Or not, I have to do under eyeliner. Very small amount, not a big deal, right? No, no, no to this ugly hair. Do you guys like this look? I kind of think it's okay, you know, with this better hair and everything. So if you guys want to try this, go ahead, and I would love to see you next time. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and like for more videos. Thank you. Bye!